Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am here from Progressive Model School. Today I will teach you mathematics for grade 5. In previous lecture we have completed our exercise 2A. Now we will start the next exercise, that is 2B. Before starting exercise, I will tell you some definitions. First of all, what is factor? A number which can divide a given number leaving no remainder are called factors of the given number. Means ऐसा नंबर जो completely divide हो जाता हो, जिसका remainder 0 बचता हो, वो क्या होते हैं? Factors. The other thing is prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which has only two factors, that 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Starting with exercise 2B, question number 4. Find HCF by prime factorization method. Part A, 64, 148 and 60. How can we solve this? How can we solve this by prime factorization method? First of all, we take one number, that is 64, starting from the lowest prime number, that is 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again, starting with 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 come with the 2, it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12. Again with 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2. Next number is 148. Again, starting with 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 1 is left, it will come with 4, it becomes 14, 2 7s are 14, and then 37, 1 is 37. Number 3, 2 30s are 60, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 5 1 is 5. Now we can write separately the factors. First of all, we write the factors of 64, that are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 2. Then 148, factors of 48 are 2, 2 and 37. Factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3 and 5. Now we can check that which are the common numbers, that are 2 and 2. Except 2, there is no any common number. The common factors are 2 and 2. Therefore, the HCF of 64, 148 and 60 is 2 into 2, that is 4. अब HCF क्या होता है? तीनों नंबर्स के जो कॉमन फैक्टर्स होते हैं, जो तीनों में कॉमन होते हैं, उनको लेना होता है और फिर उनमें को 1 टाइम लिखना है. जैसे इस पूरे 2 को हमने 1 टाइम लिखा, इस पूरे 2 को 1 टाइम लिखा. 2 2s are 4, तो ये क्या इसका बन गया? हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर. HCF, I have told you before, HCF stands for highest common factor. Same is the case with part B. 63. First of all, we take 63. 63 is an odd number, so we start factorization with the number 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again with 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. One thing more, हमने ये फैक्टराइजेशन तब तक करनी है जब तक हमारे पास लास्ट पे 1 नहीं आ जाता. ओके, नाउ द सेकेंड नंबर इज 108. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, that will come with 4, it becomes 14, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, and 3 ones are 3. The third number is 72. 2 threes are 6, 1 come with 2, it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12, again 2 ones are 2, 1 come with 6, it becomes 16, 2 8s are 16, again 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3. Now we can write the factors of these three numbers separately. Factors of 63 are 3, 3 and 7. Factors of 108 are 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Factors of 72 are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 3. Now we see that whether there is a common number or not. There is common number, that is 3. अब 3 तीनों के फैक्टर्स में है तो वो हमारे पास कॉमन फैक्टर आएगा. कितने टाइम्स है 3? 2 टाइम्स. वी कैन मेक अ लूप. नाउ वी कैन राइट द कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर 3 and 3. These 3 dot means therefore. These are used in mathematical term. We can say this. Therefore, HCF of 63, 108 and 72 is 3 into 3, 9. So, the HCF of these three numbers are 9. Part C, 26. Make the factors of 26. 2 13s are 26 and 13 ones are 13. Factors of 96. 2 48s are 96. 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 ones are 3. Factors of 102 is 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3 ones are 3, 2 is left, 2 come with 1, it becomes 21, 3 7s are 21, then 17 ones are 17. Write the factors. Factors of 26 are 2 into 3 and 13. Factors of 96 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2